Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. This saves time. Log into Yono Sbi with your internet banking user ID or with profile PIN if already set. Once logged, go to Services Right Arrow Profile Right Arrow Mpin Registration. You need the debit card number and the 4-digit ATM PIN to validate. Keep the registered mobile nearby to receive OTP. Make sure your app is updated. Older versions block Mpin steps. Now proceed to the verification screen without navigating away. You will now perform validation and create the Mpin. After selecting Generate or Reset Mpin, enter the 16-digit debit card number, expiry MM/YY, and the 4-digit ATM PIN. The bank sends an OTP to your registered mobile. Enter it promptly, then tap Verify. Once verified, choose a 4-digit Mpin and confirm it. This is what you'll use for quick logins and transactions. Remember to pick a non-obvious code and never share it. Save confirmation and note the time stamp. Complete the process by confirming the success message. Immediately log out and test login with your new Mpin to ensure it works. If the OTP does not arrive, wait up to 5 minutes, disable call/SMS blockers, then request OTP again. Network delays sometimes occur. If Mpin setup still fails, clear app cache or reinstall the app and then retry. Key troubleshooting tip: if repeated failures happen, contact SBI helpline or visit a branch with your CIF and ID. They can reissue or reset Mpin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.